big breaking news which is coming in after the crushing defeat in Bihar. There's another reality check coming in for Rahul Gandhi. A group of 272 eminent citizens. This includes 16 judges, 123 retired bureaucrats, 14 of whom are former ambassadors, and 133 retired armed forces have now issued an open letter condemning the attempts by the LOP, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress to tarnish the constitutional bodies such as the Election Commission. Let me go across to Pratibha. Pratibha, I believe you have the letter with us. What does it say? Tell us the salient bits about it.
So, Meghna, democracy is under threat. This is a statement that Rahul Gandhi has made ad nauseum, and now you have 272 eminent citizens from across the country showing the mirror to Rahul Gandhi and saying that yes, it is under attack, and it is under attack by you. Here is what the letter says. It's an open letter to him. It says, "We, the senior citizens of civil society, express our grave concern that India's democracy is under assault, not by force, but by a rising tide of venomous rhetoric directed towards its foundational institutions. Some political leaders, instead of offering genuine policy alternative, resort to provocative, unsubstantiated accusations in their theatrical political strategy." So it's quite a scathing letter. It goes on to also mention the attempts to tarnish the Indian armed forces by questioning their valor and accomplishments, the judiciary by questioning its fairness, parliament and its constitutional functionaries, and now also the turn of the Election Commission. So this comes amid the Congress party doubling down on its attack on vote chori. And here's what it says. The leader of opposition Lok Sabha has repeatedly attacked the Election Commission, declaring that he has open and shut proof that the Election Commission is involved in vote theft, using unbelievably uncouth rhetoric that what he has found is an atom bomb, and when it explodes, the EC would have no place to hide. And then it goes on to mention that he goes on to make these claims, but there is no proof to it whatsoever. Goes on to say that he escapes his accountability for leveling unsubstantiated allegations, and then it goes on to say that he has gone on record to threaten that if ECs are retired, he will hound them. Yet despite such scathing accusations, there has been no complaint filed by him, along with the prescribed sworn affidavit, as has been asked of him time and again. And then this is an important bit, Meghna. It goes on to say this pattern of behavior reflects what might be called impotent rage, deep anger, born of repeated electoral failure and frustration, without a concrete plan to reconnect with the people. When political leaders lose touch with aspirations of ordinary citizens, they lash out at institutions instead of rebuilding their credibility. Theatrics replace analysis. This is a part of the letter that has been written, open letter to Rahul Gandhi. The question being, will the Congress party introspect?
Well, Pratibha, thank you so much.